guys, this is Astha Sethi and today I'm here at European Motor Works and I'm going to be reviewing the Jaguar XF with me. तो आज के इस ब्लॉग में हम बात करने वाले हैं कि जब आप मार्केट में जाते हैं एक सेकेंड हैंड लग्जरी कार परचेज करना एंड व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड, क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं जो आपको ध्यान में रखनी चाहिए। उस कार की सर्विसिंग के बारे में हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि कार तो हम ले लेते हैं लेकिन सर्विसिंग कैसे होती है, क्या कॉस्टिंग आती है। अगर आप ब्रांड पे जाते हैं, अगर आप उनके स्टोर में जाते हैं, सर्विसिंग की क्या कॉस्ट मिलती है। बट इफ़ यू कम टू अ मल्टी ब्रांड स्टोर लाइक यूरोपियन मोटर वर्क्स, तो वहाँ पे आपको सर्विसिंग में क्या डिफरेंसेस मिलते हैं एंड प्राइस में क्या फ़र्क होता है। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। I'm going to be talking about the Jaguar XF as you all can see. तो सबसे पहले यहाँ पे शुरुआत करते हैं इसके एक्सटीरियर्स के बारे में। The one thing that kind of really fascinates me about the Jaguars is the grill here, the chrome grill, which is really broad. और अगर आप यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखेंगे तो they have this really cool branding with the Jaguar face along with the logo. Now talking about the side look of the car here, one part that I really like about Jaguar is the branding that they have given right there on the side on metal. जहाँ पे ये Jaguar engraved है, you can literally feel it. And if we talk about the tire size here, this is 17 inch का size है यहाँ पे. And also one more thing that is a little rare when you kind of see this is the roof line. And usually cars में थोड़ा नीचे होता है, but इसमें it's a little up, जिसमें पैसेंजर जो पीछे बैठते हैं, it gives a lot of head space to them, which makes it very comfortable and convenient. Okay, so now that I'm inside the Jaguar XF, let's talk about कि कितनी comfortable है ये. First of all, the seats. I think you get a really good back support यहाँ पे because they're in the shape of a bucket. These are bucket seats. तो आपकी arms को और आपकी back को बहुत अच्छा support मिलता है. But one thing that is kind of disappointed me a little about this car is that there is no thigh support. जैसे कि कुछ cars में हम देखते हैं that your thighs get really comfortable, but यहाँ पे जो space आ रहा है बीच में, that doesn't really give you a lot of comfort. But the good part about the seats is that these are power seats. लेकिन इसमें आप देख सकते हैं that it's a little slow because जो आजकल हम cars आ रही हैं जो हम उनको देखते हैं those are pretty fast here, थोड़ी slow है, but these are power seats. And talking about the steering here, I think that the logo that they've given in the center of the steering, this is really powerful. यहाँ पे they have their branding with the face of a Jaguar. I really like it. Along with that, यहाँ पे सारे buttons हैं. There is cruise control. There is a volume button. You can probably control the audio very easily. And rest of the features probably you can see it here. But moving ahead, one thing that I genuinely like about this car is the wooden finish that they have given here. I think that this gives a very classy look to the car. और साथ ही साथ में the combination of wood, aluminium and leather next to it, I think this looks great. This gives a very elegant yet a very sporty look at the same time. So now we are here in the back seat of the Jaguar XF, जिसमें से कुछ चीज़ें मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी personally. First thing that it gives me a really good leg space. You can see the distance between my knee and the front seat. It's a lot, so I can probably lean down if I want, if I want to kind of relax. This is actually great. एक चीज़ और बहुत अच्छी है, as I was mentioning about the roof line, that roof line allows me a lot of head space. So if the car is going through speed breakers or bumpers or something, there are very rare chances that your head might bump into the roof or something. And apart from that, seat belts यहाँ पे दी गई हैं पीछे passengers के लिए, which makes it pretty safe of course. And we here do promote wear seat belts always. So talking about the pricing of this car, currently this is the 2011-2012 model. तो अगर आप मार्केट में जाएंगे, you will get this car currently for approximately 40 to 50 lakhs की रेंज के बीच में. But if you want to go and purchase a second hand car of the same model, वो आपको अराउंड 10 to 12 लाख के बीच में मिल जाएगी। यहाँ पे एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात मुझे आपसे ये भी करनी है कि जब आप इस कार की सर्विसिंग कराते हैं, इफ़ यू गेट द सर्विसिंग डन फ्रॉम द एक्चुअल स्टोर, द एक्चुअल शोरूम, that will cost you approximately 40,000 plus GST for a one-time service. But of course एक बहुत अच्छी trick है that if you want to kind of save on to the cost, आप अपनी cost बचाना चाहते हैं अगर सर्विसिंग की, so you can get it done from a multi-brand service center like I'm standing here, EMW, European Motor Works में मैं आज खड़ी हूँ. तो यहाँ पे जो आपको सर्विस कॉस्ट मिलेगी one time की, that would be approximately 16,000 plus GST, which is a great difference.